First, moisturize your skin. It is so important to start your base right, and I have been loving the Belif moisturizing balm. It is so good. Then I am going to use the strobe cream. I love using this before I apply my foundation, especially for occasions, because I feel like it just gives such a nice glow and a dewy finish from within. I love using this as a base. And for foundation, I have been loving, like absolutely loving, reaching forward to it every day, sort of loving the Smashbox Stick Foundation. I wear the shade 2.4 and I just love the way it blends. It blends like butter when you cut it with a hot knife. That's how beautifully it melts. Then for concealer, I'm going to use the Boeing concealer from Benefit in the shade number 3, and I'm using this underneath my eyes to add a little more coverage, and I'm also going to apply it onto the corner of my nose where I get a little bit of redness. And then I'm just using the sponge to blend it. And next I'm going to use the Maybelline Eraser Eye Concealer again underneath my eyes, and this time this is just to add brightness underneath my eyes and also on the inner corner. And again I will blend it using the sponge. Next, since I applied so much concealer, I am baking. Oh my god, I never do this, but I had to because I wanted my base to really last long. And yeah, you can skip this, you can do this, do whatever you like. For eyeshadow, I am using the Infallible paints in the shade Mint Detox. It has two different eyeshadow colors in it, and both of them are versions of green. I'm using the matte one. It comes with a shimmery one as well, and I feel like once I got done with the look that you could have totally skipped this step and go ahead and apply the other shade directly. I thought it would give more of a vibrancy to the look, but you don't need to do that. But I did use the teal shade from the Smashbox eyeshadow palette to blend the crease and also create this winged liner sort of a shade, and also apply the same teal eyeshadow underneath my eyes as well. I also went ahead and used a fluffy brush to blend the edges. So the other shade, which has a little bit of a shimmer in it, I then went ahead and applied that all over my eyes. And this is more of the teal sort of a color, and I realized it covered all of the green that I applied initially, so there's no need to kind of apply the first color. So just skip that in case you want to do the same thing. So I just took that onto a small brush, and now I'm creating the shape that I want. And then I went ahead and used a fluffy brush to blend it. But what was the game changer in the look was to use the lighter green, the matte one, onto my inner corner. If you have sensitive eyes, then try to skip this, but I really feel like it changed the look. And now I am going to apply highlighter onto my inner corner, and I'm using this one from PAC, and honestly, this is one of the best highlighter I have ever used. This is in the shade number 7, and I'm taking it onto a small brush and applying it onto the inner corner. And then I am taking it onto a eyeshadow blending brush and applying it underneath my brow bone, a little bit on my forehead, also on the top of my cheekbones, on my nose, and also on my cupid's bow. And I love how reflective this highlighter is. It is beautiful. You can see this highlighter from the moon. I should have gone for false lashes, but I don't really like doing that, so I just went for mascara. I'm wearing the Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara. I really like this, but you can also check out the Maybelline one. I love those. The Total Temptation one is amazing, and I just bought a new one because I finished using one whole tube. Then I am using the contour side of the foundation that I used, the stick foundation, and I realized that it blends better with a brush than a sponge. So I went ahead and did that. And then I am using this bronzer from MAC called Give Me Sun. It is stunning. It is beautiful. Gives this really nice warmth and dimension to your face, and I think it would look so nice on like Indian skin tone. You can definitely check this one out. And then to set everything, I am going to use this Body Shop face mist. I've been loving them. These are my two favorites, but I used the rose one today. And then on my lips, I am going to use the Molten Matte in the shade Rachel. And that's it. This is the finished look. Let me know if you hate it, love it in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.